Okay, this is the Omron robot here we're doing the TCP calibration for. The first two images are just different positions that we used for calibrating the tool. You can see the tool and then the base that we used for a reference point there. Yeah, it took us a few tries to get to the 0.3 millimeter mark. I think after about the fourth try we got it. We ended up doing 4 different positions for our calibrations. There you can see what our final readings were on everything. And then after this, it's going to play a video of the tool actually being used in manual. It's going to be rotating around that base there. You can see it kind of rotate over the top. Just through some different movements. I'm going to go like side to side. But the key thing is that the point is staying fixed. So no matter what axis we move along, it moves along that center point there. If we were to be using like the base for a reference, it would be pretty much crashing into the table or just kind of going wherever. Here is a different like set of movements for it. So this is moving either like along the z-axis going straight, so the z-axis is pointing pretty much towards the table, so it's just kind of traveling in a straight direction, whereas if it was referencing the base, it would be going like straight up rather than whichever direction the point is facing. And then you can see it, I believe that's the x-axis, it's moving side to side.
Got aluminum frame.
So, yep.
And then can we send it back to that home position that we had before?
If we can, I don't know how.
It seems like it should have a right back to the tool head.
Return to point.
Okay, now moving on to the UR robot. Here's just the different readings that we recorded. You can see that the tool selected is I think it's Mec232 there at the top. And then I'm going to go through a little video. It's going to show like the different wizards. So there's the position wizard. This is where you select your 4 points, and then you'd have to set them similar to how we do on the Omron robot. And then there's an orientation wizard here, and we match that to the base. So we kind of set it up to where our tool is in line with the base's orientation, and then recorded it, set it off of that. With that set, we were able to demonstrate here the kind of like how it orients around the tool's center. So here's moving like if it was in relation to the base, moving up and down, it goes straight up and down in relation to the table, whereas like there it's moving in the direction of the point of the tool. So, and then here we have a rotation similar to what we saw on the Omron, where it's kind of rotating around the point of the tool there. And then here, just going to show where the tool center point is in orientation to the robot, or in relation to the robot. So you can see that z-axis, the blue one there, is pointing straight down towards the table, and that's how the tool is facing.